welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'm going to show you how to fit a Velux blackout blind into a Velux window. So the good news is you don't need any extra special tools to fit this. It's really idiot proof, and you just be careful that when you take the coverings off the edge, these bits are really sharp, so you don't want to hurt yourself. And the only tool that you need are this, and they fit into each other like that. This is used to put screws into a frame. Okay, these lugs at the top of the window on both sides are where you are going to slide the casing. Let me just find it for you. Here at the end, okay? So what you need to do to begin with is peel off the sticker and slide it on, and it'll clip into place. Just like that. Red bits here is a bit dark, sorry about that. You need to leave these on until the whole thing's fitted. Okay, for the bottom of the frame you need these two little bits here. They're joined together at the moment, so you just break them apart like so, and they're ready for the bottom of the frame. Not on this bit, because this is the frame. Okay, it needs to be on the inner edge of the window. Make sure it's shut for this so it's not moving. Okay, you're going to put it in here so it's stuck in there like that. Can you see? And that little hole there, that's where you're going to put your screw. Just that little lug down there needs to be sitting on that edge, just like that. And then you do the other one. Will just slide in, and then there's a space on that edge for that one, just like that. So once you've put the little screw in, you just need to keep tightening it up all the way until the plastic is flat against the frame of the window. Just like that. Okay, and the same on the other side. And you'll see that the top bits have a 45-degree cut on the top of them, and the bottom is flat, and then you'll be able to see that these fit in to the top of the frame like so. So that one's for this side, that one for this side. So we'll look at the one on the right hand side first. So this chamfer here needs to eventually meet up with that chamfer there. First of all, what you do is you lift it ever so slightly away from the window, slide in the rail so the little bit of red plastic goes into that line just there. Awkward, and you're getting that metal bit there to clip in place with this. See how that went? That's right, that plastic bit needs to be inside that rail. Then the other end into that grey plastic, you'll hear a click. That's it. Now later you will be fixing this in place with screws, but put both sides in and check it works first before you start screwing it all in. Okay, so now the book says we need to screw it in down both sides. I wouldn't recommend doing that straight away, because I think it's advisable to make sure the blind works and it goes down to the bottom before we screw it in, and I'm going to talk you through how we do that now. This is the most satisfying bit. This red circle, we're just going to pull it out and we're going to let it drop. Okay, so then you can see here at the bottom that you can take this grey end and you can pull the little toggle out. Ta-da! And then discard the red bit. Obviously recycle. Once that's done, you'll see that there's a little bit of loop around the top, so you're going to unloop that to give you a little bit more length, and then you're going to take it down to the bottom, the string. So then you put the string away from the window, hold it up. It's a bit tight. Hold on. And the rope is running down inside the rail, and then we do the same on the other side. Okay, so now you've done that bit, we need to pull these red bits off and make sure it works before we screw it in. So this is quite easy, it just They just slide off. There we go. Out and down. There we go. And then, very carefully, just going to make sure that it slides down and back up again. It works, we're happy. So now we need to screw in down the edges. All you do is you get the little screws they give you and screw them straight into these edges. I hope that's helped. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and leave any comments.